We are having authentic Indian food party at Vanita and Manisha's house. So Vanita is going to introduce all these delicious dishes. Shall we start with this?
So this is chicken gravy. That's butter chicken. These are the crabs.
Oh wow, crabs. Okay. And here has a very hungry lady. Come on.
And then this is lentil and tomato soup.
Okay. Yes, this is carrots with.
This is carrot salad.
Okay, carrot salad. Is this a typical
Very
Indian
typical Indian.
salad?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful.
Western part of India mostly. Mint relish.
Really, sort of relish, and you applied it on the fish and bake it.
Okay, it's an Indian food, right?
It's more the chutney
So
is
sea bass baked in Indian spices.
Indian spices.
Wonderful. How about this guy?
This is roasted chicken in Indian spices. Chicken tandoori.
Okay.
This is chicken biryani. This is chicken cooked in rice.
Okay. This one?
This is cauliflower and green peas.
Okay.
Vegetable.
Okay, this is actually before party. And not quite sure if she can do well after a few drinks. You did it really well, huh? Good things come you did not drink, huh? Authentic Indian food.
Yeah.
This is really, really good.
I did not get into this Manish
Let me give a bite.
today. I was busy with rest. So the one that Kim said she liked, that is my dish. I made that.
Wonderful.
Which one is it? This one.
Here.
Those are brown ones are Indian donuts, I would say.
Okay, how about this? The white
That's cottage cheese in condensed milk, kind of.
Scottish cheese and condensed milk.